I welcome you to your second basic Python program. Now, in this challenge, you are going to create a program that is going to count a certain letter in a message. So the program will start by welcoming the user to say welcome to the letter counting app, and it will ask you for your first name. So I'll enter my first name, Rudolph, and it will now ask you for your second name, Ose. Now the program will introduce itself and say I'm a bot from rocktech.org. You can put in anything and I will count for you the number of letters in a given message. The program goes ahead and asks you for a message. So I'm going to type in a message like this one. I'll say this is a text to test the tutor. Now note that the tutor has a capital letter of T, so I'm going to hit enter, and now the program will ask you the letter you would like it to count for you. So in this one I would like to count the letter T, and I'll hit T, hit enter, and now it says counting. Now once counting is done, the program will prompt you that counting is completed, so you have to hit enter or the return key to continue. So I'll hit enter, and it says T occurred in your message 9 times. It goes ahead and say goodbye or say. Now note that the program welcomes us here with our first name, and it's say bye bye to us with our second name over here. Also, you are supposed to use the concatenation method in printing this one. T occurred 9 times. Use the concatenation method and use the printf format method in saying goodbye and your second name. Good luck. Have a wonderful day.